Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you?
Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you
How to make picture background transparent in Excel 2016. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Excel workbook. Then go to the insert menu. Select the picture option. Then choose this device. Then choose image from your file. Now I am select image and click insert. Now you can see here a flower image. Now we want to make the image background transparent. Go to the picture format menu, select the remove background option, and we can see here automatically select the background. Now I am select keep change option, and we can see we remove the image or picture background easily. You can save the image as a PNG. Click right button and click the save option. Now we can see we make a picture background transparent easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.